The day when you realize that nothing is impossible, everything is possible by your hard work and determination. Life puts you in a difficult situation just to understand and learn from that. Every failure has lessons to demonstrate and prove yourself to be strong and independent. Until unless you have faith on yourself, have honesty to yourself, do good deeds, and automatically God makes you good. Give your 100% to life. Never justify yourself on waste people. You should be focused on yourself and make your parents proud and be financially stable